In this session, I'm going to show you how to use the BIM tool to place a BIM. I will take the second floor BIMs for example. Note that the second floor BIMs are laid under the level of the second floor, so we should go to the second floor plan view to start placing BIMs. Click on the Structure tab and select the BIM tool. On the Property palette, choose Desired BIM type. Here, according to the underlay, we select the type of 30 by 60 centimeter. The numbers mean the external width and height of the section shape are 30 centimeter and 60 centimeter respectively. On the Options bar, in the Placement Plane drop-down menu, we can choose the plane we are going to place our BIMs. That is level 2F. Now we are ready to place the BIMs. Because a BIM is usually connected to two columns, it's common for us to place BIMs by selecting the start point and the end point on two columns. Here, we should be careful about whether the BIMs are connected with the columns accurately. If a square shows up when we are selecting the start point or the end point, it indicates that the point we select is at the intersection of the grid line and the boundary of the column. Here we use this feature to make sure that we have selected the right point, so this BIM is accurately connected to the columns. After making sure the connectivity, we can use the Align tool under the Modify tab to move the BIMs to the right position if needed. Here, we need to align the BIM with the top boundary of the column. Select the column's top boundary line and click on the BIM's boundary line to finish modifying the position. In some cases, the BIM type we want does not exist in the project, so we will need to load a BIM family into the project or simply duplicate one existing type and modify its parameters to create the desired BIM type. Let me demonstrate this. In the Property palette, click on the Edit Type button. In the Type Property dialog, if we want to load a family into the project, click on the Load button to select the family file, and we can modify its attributes in this dialog. Or we can create a type that meets our needs by duplicating an existing type and changing its parameters. Click on the Duplicate button, then type its name, modify its parameters, and then click on OK to finish creating a new BIM type.